Lights in my face, I'm losing track of every tongue that I taste. It's like the whole world is upside down. Can't even tell